At Hear.com, we get it. Hearing loss isn't just about volume. It's about connection. That's why we've made better hearing simple and life-changing with our exclusive home visit service. A personalized hearing test, conducted in the comfort of your home. A trial with cutting-edge German tech, backed by 140 years of expertise. Discreet, comfy, and powerful hearing aids that sound as good as they look. Join lots of people who chose Hear.com and chose to stay connected. Click the button below to book your home visit appointment today.